coming in behind you. Get that window. I got light in there.
Oh shit, we're all right side. Push up! Team, push up left. Red team, push up left.
He got popped in front of us there. I don't know who hit him.
Push, red team, push left.
Well, I got somebody on my 12 up here, it looks like. Right behind those pallets. There he goes, there he goes. Back there, back there, back there! He's in the building!
They don't know what they're doing on left side.
Go. Watch my back. Cars, cars, cars! On the cars! Gonna cross in front. I got somebody right in front of me here. I want the fuck out of here.
Let's say you keep helping them hold left side. We've got this locked down.
I want to push up a little bit. I had somebody back there who was dialed in on me, but I don't know where he went.
Same problem with my cap.
I'm going to go in front of you, crossing right.
Go for it, go for it.
Behind you, behind you, behind you. What?
There's like two of them over there.
Okay, stay there, stay there. Hey, hey! I don't believe that shit, but okay.
That side of the field.
Okay.
Yeah, proud of us.
I'll go with you.
We have a couple good people at like the halfway point, so I'm like, oh shit, he's dead.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's cool.
Next window, that window left side on the wall.
Watch.
On that wall, on the other side of that wall.
I don't know where that shit's
Still
coming
there.
from.
I'm sorry, we used it as bait.
No, you're good.
Yeah, I don't really feel like trying to do that with. I think I hit those fellas like 3 times. I'm not sure.
There's probably a guy, watch out.
Hey, on that corner. Oh, fuck. Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Hit!
Oh, I got him.
I'm crossing. You got him.
I'm running.
Go. Oh, shit. Oh, nice. Behind. Go. I'll follow you.
Oh, he's got it. Behind you.
Go.
Hey, you can move up. I'm coming back.
Green in the middle, green in the middle. He's in the building on the left, building on the left. Oh. Man, that dude down there with that light. Crossing behind. Coming in, friendly, friendly.
Hey, whoa. Second room back on the right side.
Where do you want me?
Wherever you want to keep up faces.
Hold up, hold up.
Right wire.
Say what? That 30?
Go, be good.
Time check. 30 seconds. Push up.
Max, since they don't want to call it.
Come on. Bang! Okay, see.
4, 3, 2,